Just had a delicious lunch. One good bonus see is I have the Premier package. This is what I do if you want to have a really excellent mimosa. At the dining room, you order the champagne, which is $19 a glass, which is expensive, but with the Premier, it's free. I also get the freshly squeezed orange juice, which is also expensive, but with the Premier package, it's free. I order both those things. I order a glass of ice, and I mix the two together, and it makes like 2 huge cups of mimosas, because when you do get a mimosa, it's $19, but it's like a little bit of champagne and a little bit of crappy lemonade. So if you get the freshly squeezed orange juice in the dining room, then you can mix it with the high quality champagne and it tastes really good. So that's how you get a really good mimosa. I don't know if you can get freshly squeezed orange juice anywhere else except in the dining room, but you know, it's expensive, but with the Premier, it's free.